guys. Hi. So it's like the first video na mag-vlog again ako after, I don't know, I've been wanting to vlog ever since, but then mahilig ako mag-vlog and then mag-delete as soon as I feel like wala nag-improve. But then ngayon, I'm trying again. So this is gonna be a vlog about my entire journey, I guess, as a teen. And also I want to document not every, but maybe some of the event in my life. Like, gusto ko lang siya balikan para lang, gusto ko lang may babalikan ako pag once na I'll succeed na. I wanna do things na never ko pa na-try before, and things na gusto ko talaga. Like, I've been wanting to become a model, and yeah, I guess I'm just working on my confidence. Like, kasi I really like walking in front of anyone, but not speaking in front of anyone. I just do this because wala naman kayo sa harap ko lang. Gusto ko lang ginagawa yung vlog para ma-document yung life ko, pero gusto ko talaga is maging model. Yeah, I'm working on it, and I also want to publish songs, which is my dream ever since. And madami na ako nasulat na kanta. The problem is that I don't know how to create, the entire song, like with the instruments, kasi I don't know how to do the thing, like mag-layer ka, diba? It's hard for me, pero nag-watch ako ng tutorial, pero I still don't know how. I also want to try owning a business, but yeah, of course, kailangan small steps muna bago yan, diba? So, and nga pala, I'm gonna do this every day kasi I love seeing my face, but not my body. I don't know, but I wanna see myself years after this. What's gonna happen? Hi to my future self. I don't have a breeze, but I want to have my own money to fix this, not depending on others. I have a lot of stories to tell you guys, but maybe this is enough for this time. You know, one of my insecurities is my smile. I don't want to smile in front of anyone. I'll just do things like this. I'm facing the camera and I have to pose. I'll just do this. Because I don't like my face when they capture it and they took a photo of me and I look at it. It does not look good talaga. So yun, ano naman, kwento lang, and then yeah, that's it.